Would you like to know how to make money online without needing a website and without having to spend money on ads? Well, I'm going to show you right now. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm growing my online income using a simple strategy that works even if you're a beginner, even if you're experienced or anything in between, and without needing a website. If you're struggling to launch an online business or to convert your own courses into cash, then this is the perfect way to get started. And just in case you're wondering, yes, this is a method that I'm using in my business. I've been selling my own courses online for over 5 years and managing all the extra issues that owning your own courses creates, as well as doing affiliate marketing for some of the big names and some of the not so big names. So yes, this is a strategy that I'm using now, and as I mentioned, is perfect for beginners who don't want to build their own products or to deal with the shipping of physical products and dealing with all the customer support and everything else that goes with owning your own products. This method consistently makes money and can for you too, but there is a disclaimer. I'm not going to make you any promises about making millions overnight. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you're prepared to get started and take some action, you will make money using this method. So let's get into what this method is and the steps you need to take. The first step of this method is to find a product or products to promote. So simply put, this is affiliate marketing. You're going to be an affiliate marketer for other people's products. Now, there are a number of networks where you can find products to promote, like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or even ClickFunnels, who have a lot of great products for beginners to promote. In fact, if you haven't got some of their products, you really should consider getting them for yourself anyway. These networks effectively are a marketplace of other people's products, so you don't have to worry about creating your own products. You just look up the marketplace and find a category you want to promote. It can be health and fitness, investing, or make money online. There are lots of products in each category. And you can check out my training by clicking on the link above to learn how to choose which product to promote if you're going to use ClickBank. The methods for the other networks are very similar, so this is a good place to start to just get an understanding of how it works. And once you choose your product, you generate your links, which are called a hop link in ClickBank, and you start to promote that link. And as I said, you don't have to handle anything. The product owner delivers the product or the course, manages any customer support tickets or shipping, and you just have to concentrate on generating traffic. Which leads me to step number 2. So step 2 is how you're going to generate traffic without needing a website or spending any money on ads. What I recommend you do is focus on groups. Now, when I say groups, most people are automatically going to assume we're talking about Facebook groups. And while you can use Facebook groups, and I do too, I'm going to suggest some more traditional groups first. I recommend you start looking with the groups like Quora or Reddit or any other forums where people hang out that are looking for the solution that your affiliate product solves. Now, another word of warning, and this is really important, so make sure you hear this. I'm not suggesting you just go into these groups or forums and spew your affiliate link all over the place. More than likely this will get you banned from the group and almost certainly won't make you consistent sales. I'm seeing this approach of spewing links all over the place in a lot of groups, particularly with people trying to promote Bitcoin or binary options and Forex. It just doesn't work, and frankly, it pisses people off, so don't do it. Instead, what you want to do is go into these groups and look for ways that you can help people, answer questions, solve their problems. Do that first with just general answers. However, while you're answering questions for people, I want you to make sure that your affiliate link is in your bio. As people see you answering questions and helping them, they'll check out your bio and click on your link. It's important that you use these groups in the manner in which they're intended. Answer questions and help people. You want to be able to grow your standing in these groups as someone who has answers, not someone who's just on the prowl for sales. One of the best lessons you can learn in the online game is people see intention. So if you're just spewing your affiliate links everywhere, they'll see through you. But if you're helping people, you'll look more like an authority and someone who helps solve problems, which is far more likely to result in free traffic coming to your link. Now, if you want to step it up a notch, there's a third step you can take. Now, the third step is that you can set up an opt-in page that you can use to grow an email list. Now, this does require a web page, so it's an extension of the make money online without a web page concept, but it's an important step to growing your business long term. Now, if you want a simple opt-in page, you can get one of mine for free by clicking on the link below. You will need a ClickFunnels account to access the page. So I've left a link below where you can get a 14-day free trial. Click on that and then the link for my free page, and you'll have your own opt-in page at no cost. Now, the reason I suggest you progress to this third step is because an email list is your greatest asset as an affiliate marketer. Once you have someone's email address, you can continue to make them offers for as long as they remain on your list. And this is the key to success in affiliate marketing, growing an email list. And if you want to learn how to grow your email list, click the link below to get my free 4 Steps to a Profitable Email List ebook. This ebook contains my best strategies for how to grow your email list. And as I mentioned, your email list is your most important asset. As a beginner, I know it can be hard to get started, but you need to take action to get started in order to succeed. And this 3-step process is the best way to do that. And by clicking on the link below, you can access my best strategies and get started the right way from the beginning. This is what I'm doing to grow my online income, and you can too. So click the link and let's get you started today. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and showed you how you can start building an online income without a website or spending any money on ads. So let's do a quick recap of the key concept. First was to go into the main marketplace sites and select a product to promote and generate your links. Second was to generate traffic from your groups. And third, which is an optional but recommended step, was to create an opt-in page so you can grow your email list and promote further offers to your leads. As I mentioned, if you want to get started building an online income using this method, click the links in the description to access your free opt-in page and my ebook that gives you my best strategies for how to grow a profitable email list. So thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to get started in affiliate marketing. Click the link in the description and let's get you earning an online income in the next 30 days. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and that little bell to get notified when a new training is released. And do me a favor, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget to get started with your own online business. Click the link below so you can get started the right way today.